Yes, good evening, everyone. Um, you can all join in, and we shall start the Nifty Bank Nifty analysis for today's market in another minute or so that everyone can join the links and slowly come in. I shall quickly. Yes. Okay. So it is 6 p.m. and we are back with another live for today's market analysis. So we were thinking thinking of a name for it, right? So we were thinking of chai, jai, and markets. So welcome back to another live where we will analyze today's market, Nifty and Bank Nifty specifically. For those of you who are joining new here, we do this on daily basis. We go live every day at 6 p.m. for understanding what is happened in the market on this day and see how it would play out for the coming days as well, right? So yes, before we start, a quick disclaimer: we do not provide any calls or tips. This is for educational purpose only, and please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade or investment. Yes, so I shall just oh yeah, this is by the way our newly launched homepage, right? So we made it more neat, more crisp, and you can quickly get into analysis, strategy builder, basket orders, and also YouTube videos right here. So yeah, we can. So on the home screen itself, we get to know directly that Nifty was closed today at 17,353, which was a 1.5% increase, right? So I think today was a good bullish move on Nifty, as we can see on the chart here as well. Here we can, okay, so we shall go to the trading view charts and market replay quickly, right? So yeah, Bank Nifty, similarly, we can see 40,589.75, which was a 1.7 percent change, right? So all the markets were very bullish today, and we shall see it one by one. So okay, we shall start with Nifty, right? So I'll just quickly go to the market replay of Nifty, and I just have to click on. So yeah, we can just quickly see at the end of the day, the gainers were around 158 and only 32 losers, right? So I shall just go to the main chart, put it on 5x, and let us start it. So yes, as you can see, we had a good opening at around 9:15, which is very bullish. We saw three green candles in a row, which usually is a very bullish sign, right? As you can see, the PCR also was above one, and that usually suggests bullish as well. We can see the option OI over here. So, okay, it was middle ground, 70,250. You can see huge OIs on around 17,000 and 17,800, right? Okay, that is a very far, but yeah, I should just quickly go back up. We can see that from the beginning, I don't think the markets ever went down today. It was completely on the rise itself. So until the end, the markets were very high. I think so. This is around 230 right now. Markets were still very bullish. We can see PCR 1.3. Usually, a very high PCR would also suggest that it might reverse, right? So yeah, today's Nifty markets. This is like the overall view, which we can see, and it is a very bullish. We shall quickly go to the trading view chart as well and see how our analysis from yesterday or today uh, looked, right? So let me just Yes. Okay. Give me 1 second. Yes. So yes. Also, for if any of you did take any trades, make sure you comment it as well. And oh yeah, before that, I just wanted to show you a new feature that was there. That is in our preferences. Now you can change your default numbers, right? So you can put it in terms of only numbers, or if you prefer it in lakhs, thousand, you can put it in that as well. And our latest one is divided with lots. So if you prefer to see it in terms of lots, you can just turn it on and you can turn it off. So we'll just keep it on, and we'll while going through our option chain or OI analysis, I shall just show it you right there, right? So, okay, quickly coming back to the trading view charts. Let us see. Okay, this is our bank Nifty. We'll just quickly change it to Nifty. Yes. Okay, Nifty charts. I think it is loading here quickly. Okay, I have to. Okay, yeah. Oh. So let's see today's chart, right? So yeah, as you can see today, it was a complete upward move. So any of you who took a buy, it was or a call buying option, it was a very good move, right? So if we can, I think we can draw. There's a good channel there, right? As I can see. Give me 1 second. Okay, let me just choose the channel itself. I'll just draw the parallel channel. Yes, so I can see a good channel from here, which Nifty formed, right? So this was a complete upward move where it was making higher highs, as well as it was touching this channel low and going back up, right? So very interesting. These would have been good trades, as this is a very good channel that it formed today from, I think, 1040 to 215, right? So that was a good formation, and I think it hit 17,358 at the end, right? So after 215, it just moved sideways. But yeah, this was a very uh, bullish move today that I think we saw that coming from our previous analysis. So those of you who did not see the previous analysis, that was day before yesterday, right? As yesterday was a holiday as well. So yes, so Nifty had a good opening. It formed, yes, here it formed two huge green candles within the 5 minutes chart, which usually suggests a bullish move, right? And then it moved sideways a little over here, as you can see, moved a little down, and then it formed this channel, and again sideways towards the end. I'll just save this. And yes, so this was, yeah, Nifty's very upward movement, right? If I just quickly go to the option chain, I think we can see the. Okay, let me just. Yeah, so I'll just quickly, we'll just check the resistance and support and quickly just look at the chart again, right? So if I just go to Nifty here and look at it, we can see, yes, 17,000 seems like a very high support. And I think the highest was 1.3 lakhs here, which is 17,700, right? That's a huge what do you call, gap that Nifty is moving between. And yes, let me just quickly go back to the charts. So today should have been a gap up as well, if I'm not wrong. So 17,000 to 17,700 was the. Yes. So as you can see here, it did. Okay. Yeah. This was our previous analysis as well. Oh, I'm not sure if I did save the chart from. Damn it. I did not save the chart from previous analysis, but yes, it is completely broken it. So I've extended. This was our resistance, right? So around 17,100 was our resistance zone, and Nifty was playing along this sideways market, right? So it was from our previous analysis, we saw it was a good market for option sellers as it was playing around. Let me just extend this as well. So this forms now is a very strong support here. Yes. So 16,900 to 17,100. So this was the sideways market that Nifty was going through since I think March 24th, right? So this was a good sellers market, but from this breakout, which we were, I think in the previous analysis, we did see if we did think would this be a false breakout or not also, right? So this completely cleared it. And yes, as you can see here, it was a huge gap up opening from around 17,125 to 17,200, right? So it was a huge, so it's very bullish right now. Market is bullish. It has moved upwards. Yes, coming back to our option chain, yes, I also wanted to show you the lots, right? So yeah, as I did change it to lots, it's showing me in lots right now, and I've just selected thousands and lakhs, right? So it's showing me in thousands and lakhs. So if I just let me just go to preferences. Yes, I would like it in only numbers, and yeah, with lots, let's just say. So I go to option chain. Now I can see it in lots, right? But in terms of numbers. So that was the change. Yeah, as we saw, 17,700 had a lot of call sellers, right? So this forms as a next resistance zone, and I think 17,000 forms as a very high support, as we saw the highest number of put sellers over here. So yes, quickly going to the OI as well. Uh, Open interest, yes. So open interest again here, as I preferred numbers, we are seeing it in numbers right now. And let me just quickly let's just check in terms of history data, right? So currently it's March 31st. 30th was holiday. Let me just check on 29th. So 29th to 30th, right? So if we see, this was 29. Okay, this was the expiry as well. So yeah, it was around 0.8 PCR. We just go back to today. You can see a huge movement of PCR as well, right? So it was around zero point 0.8, which is neutral. So we don't know if it is very bearish either or very bullish. Nothing. It's neutral, right? So 1.3 is a very bullish sentiment for us right now. So we can actually look ahead for a bullish move towards the markets. And I think option buyers, this was yeah, this is your chances right now to buy some calls or and get into the market trends, right? So yes, that was quickly our history data also showed us how the end of the day of the previous day, and from today it moved from 0.8 to 1.3, right? 1.3 here, which shows a bullish movement as well. So yeah, coming to bank nifty now, right? So yeah, bank nifty, we saw again a 1.7. Similar to Nifty, it should be a huge gap up as well. Let me just close this. And yeah, let's just quickly go to the trading view chart. Yes, I think my default is set as Bank Nifty. That's why it opens Bank Nifty. Let's check this. Yes, so this was a supply zone we created. Yes, okay. Yeah, this is our previous analysis as well. So yeah, oh okay, I don't think I saved uh, for the analysis that we did on Wednesday, right? I don't think I saved it for Bank Nifty as well. I should save it. So yeah, so the save your button is usually here. Just click on that and it saves the chart. So yeah, as we saw on Wednesday, right? So this resistance zone became our new support. So around I'll just mark it. So if I look at it in terms of, give me 1 second. Where is the call out? Anchor text. Price label. Yes. Okay. Let me just put a price label and here, right? So yeah, if I quickly just move about. Yes. So if you look at it now, so this resistance that was formed and it broke out of on 29th March is our new support, right? So we look at it here, it did go off that support twice and it never came back, and this was the gap up opening that we saw, right? So for those of you who want to note down the support zone, can see the price call out thing and note it down as well. And here you go. So this is our moment for today. Again, I see a huge channel formation here, which would have been a very good trade. Let me just, yes. Yes. So yeah, again, similar to Nifty, we see two very I think these are called Maribozu candles, right? If I'm not wrong, so I usually don't remember the candles, but I look at it in terms of okay, what does the candles say, right? So yes, so this was a huge it came back from here. So this was a huge supply zone as well, where a lot of sell-off did happen. So yeah, we look at two Mariposa candles, which usually suggests a very bullish move up, right? So we can see similar to Nifty. Nifty also had two. We saw a similar sideways, and then it continued through the channel. So both Bank Nifty and Nifty had a very nice upward channel where it was making higher highs, right? So that is that every low, buying on every low would have been a good trade, which usually you do with channels. And yes, in the end, it just moved a little sideways, similar. So if I just quickly go to the option chain of Bank Nifty, let me just change this. Yes, so we can see here. Okay, the highest here is around 40,500, and if you look at it below, it's around 40,000, 41,000, right? So those would usually form our support and resistance. So I think yeah, the highest OI, right? So if I just look at the history data over here, so yes, let me just see that it's 40,500 to 41,000 approximately, right? So here almost there are a lot of call sellings were at different support levels, which are almost the same value. So I don't think it is a very uh, strong resistance or support, right? So that's how you figure that out. So if I just look at it on 29th, so Thursday was a holiday, I look at it 29th. Yeah, we saw 39,500 to be our a lot of sellers at put, so to be our support, and 40,000 to be our uh, the resistance, right? So if we just, yes, so I'll just go back to the current, and yeah, we can see our current support and resistance zones here. Also, if I quickly just go to the OI analysis, so OI analysis, it must, the PCR again should have moved up from the previous time, right? So we saw a very bullish sentiment here as well. So it's similar to Nifty. Oh wait, am I at Nifty by any chance? No, okay. So I am on Bank Nifty 31st March live data itself. I'll just close this. So 1.3. So we did see a very bullish PCR in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty now, right? So if I quickly check the history for 29th, you can see the charts change and 1.1. Okay, I think towards the end, it did show a bullish sentiment for the close, as we saw in the previous video, right? It both Bank Nifty and Nifty on Wednesday did show a very bullish movement towards the end. Yes, let me just come back to current. So it moved from 1.1 to 1.3, which shows a bullish sentiment. If it increases a lot, you must be careful as it can reverse to the other direction. So yes. Okay, we'll just quickly see how Bank Nifty moved as well, right? I don't think we saw the market replay for that. Yes, index is Bank Nifty. Let me just close this, and what is on 5x? Yes. Yes, as we did see on the trading view charts, we saw the huge two green candles, which showed us, that's the Maribazu candles, which showed us a high bullish move. And yes, let me just this. Yeah. 31st March. Okay, I was suddenly confused if I was showing you any previous day, which also you can see if you would like to see any history data, market replay, you can just change it from here. But yeah, as we see it on 31st March, we see it was completely bullish. So why it's not exactly same is because it's the 1 minute chart here and we were seeing the 5 minute chart there, right? So yeah, it was, I mean, the overall market is completely bullish with whichever timeline you see it on. So yes. So this would help you read the market, right? So if usually market replays, if you put it on a slower speed and continue it, you would understand, okay, this might have been a good trade. I should have entered here, and you understand the market as it goes. Yes. Yes. So how we saw similarly, overall, it is very bullish, the markets. We saw the channel formation here, and yes, that was good. So other than that, yes, 1 second. Let me just. So yes, Damodaran says, will Bank Nifty reach 41,000 on Monday, right? So if we just, let's just check the charts. So currently, it is 40,600. A 400 point move on Monday, maybe. Will it happen? So others, if you do think it'll hit 41,000, let's just put it down in the comments below as 41,000. Just comment below 41,000 if you do think it would hit 41,000, right? So, but it is a possibility because this is a very bullish trend. We should see tomorrow, as today it did move from the gap up, let's say from 40,000 to 40,600, right? It's almost a 600 point move in a day, which is a very bullish move. And from our analysis also, we can see like everything suggests bullish, right? If you look at our PCR data and all that. So yeah, I would suggest to see the support and resistance level, as well as the resistance levels would show you where the highest call option sellers are, which would suggest, okay, if it needs a very high push to break that level or not. So yes, so whoever thinks it will break, come in 41,000 below, else come in 40,600 to see if it is a sideways market. Yes, continuing. Yes, so that was our Bank Nifty analysis as well. Other than that, I would, for those of you watching, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel, as this would motivate all of us to keep coming back on daily basis and analyzing the market, right? So yes, this was it, and you can check out the preferences in order to put in the number values in terms of how you prefer it. And this was completely built from the feedback on the Telegram channel. So make sure you join that too, to keep giving us feedback in order to build Stolo into being the best options trading platform as a all-in-one platform, right? Yes. Also, disclaimer again, the whole analysis, the whole prediction or everything is just for educational purpose. We do not provide any calls or tips, and make sure you take advice from your financial advisors before you take any trade, right? So yes, that is about it. Also, as per our ritual, make sure you comment below on what you think will happen today, tomorrow, if you are bullish, bearish, or you're in a sideways market mood. So yes, that's all for today. Hope you have a great evening ahead, and make sure you join back tomorrow, Monday, 6 p.m. Thank you. Oh yes, Manish Mahim says it will cross 41,000. So yes, everyone is in a bullish uh, pattern right now, right? Yes. Okay. Thank you.